Hi guys, Ken here from kbwebsitesolutions.com, and here we are in step 2 of creating your own website to get hosting. I use HostGator. I've used them for years. I've tried many others, but I just love HostGator, and that's why I'm recommending them to you. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you purchase through that link, I'll get a small commission. It won't cost you anything extra. It just helps me out a bit. This is what the site looks like at the time of this recording. You can go here to hosting and click on shared hosting. Then you'll be taken to this page with hosting options. You can purchase the hatching plan. It's a single website, one-click WordPress installs, free WordPress cPanel website transfer, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificate, and free domain included. I always go with the baby plan because it has unlimited websites, and there was something to do with the hatchling plan, something to do with the email or something at the time. I can't remember what it was then. This is only like 75 cents more than this one a month. So I'm going to head and click on that one. You'll be brought to the checkout page. If you didn't already get a domain name like I did in step 1, you can register your domain name here. Click it and see if it's available. I already have mine, so I'm going to click on this one and put my domain name in here. You choose your plan like I did, the baby plan. And right here in the billing cycle, you have the option of 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, or 36 months. 1 and 6 months is $12.95 a month. You'll be billed every month for that. 12 months, it's $5 a month. You get billed once every year. 36 months, you get billed every 3 years, and it only comes to $3.50 a month, which is a great deal. Great savings there. So anyway, you pick your poison here. Create your HostGator account here. Enter your billing info. And you get to choose credit card or PayPal here. I always use PayPal. Even if you don't have an account, you can use their credit card there as well. PayPal's good to have anyway in a lot of places. And if you scroll down, it's going to have additional services. This one's ticked by default. I untick it. I don't use any of them. And you scroll down, click on Terms of Service, and Checkout. It didn't bring me to checkout, of course, because I didn't fill out any of the fields. But anyway, it's all pretty straightforward. Go ahead and get your hosting. I'll see you in step 3. Step 3 is to point your domain name to your hosting account. I'll walk you through that. It's pretty easy to do. We'll see you in step 3. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that little bell to get notified when I put up any new videos.